Hi, my name is Elliot. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami cat.
You are not. You are not.
This
You
is how
need
you
one
make
piece of paper and one marker.
paper and
The first step is fold the paper
to make sure
to the other side, then open it, then fold it to the other side. The second step is fold it kind of like one mountain. And the third step is trying to make this
Excuse me, sir. Is that
a mountain in front of the behind mountain.
And it looks like a mountain that behind it and behind another mountain.
Then push this out to make one cat ear. Then this is
that is
the
demonetized.
Then another
second
giant
cat ear. Then
It doesn't
fold it
Oh.
right here.
No.
Then fold this right here.
two
Then flip
triangles.
this over.
Then fold the same thing
this.
where the ears are.
Fold this. And then here's your marker. You're gonna draw a
I'm
cute
just searching
little
on websites for
eye
picture, and I don't care what.
Then draw
and
cute
another
little eye,
cute little eye and a little nose
Sign
a
up.
nose,
and
a
mouth.
mouth,
No.
And if you want to add
some
some cheek
whiskers,
blush and whiskers,
What is that? What is that? And where is that?
here is one way how
some
to make
ears,
an origami cat.
And then bring your other pink ones in.
and those are the other two origami cats. The end. That's all the steps how to make an origami cat. I hope you like this video.